Hello. I know it's been a while. My name is Kes Zwiebe. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. We make all sorts of things on this channel. We make wigs, we make Ankara decor, makeup, and a lot of other, everyday how-to stuff. So, before I start this tutorial, this is a really lovely tutorial and I feel like you guys are going to enjoy. I just want to thank you guys for 800 subscribers. You guys have been amazing and I've been seeing the subscriber count go up every day. So thank you. So I am showing us how to customize a particular kind of wig. Give me a minute, I'm going to show you guys the wig I'm wearing today. This is the wig we are wearing today. It's really long, as you can see, and then I have to style the baby hairs in front. So basically that's what I want to do today. I want to show you guys how to wear this wig, how to style it. Actually, this hair belongs to my mom, okay? So I made it for my mom. So I'm kind of making this video because of my mom, because she'll be like, I can style it, so I just want to show her how it's done, and take this opportunity to show you guys how to style baby hairs for your braided wigs. Okay, so first let me show you how this hair looks like on a mannequin. It is to die for, trust me. Hey, so we're back. So the first thing I'm going to do is have the mannequin, have the hair on the mannequin, and then I'm going to begin to trim it off. Okay. So I'm going to try to bring this down so you guys can see what I'm doing. So this is it. So I'll start trimming it off, like just trim round like that for this. So it's pretty simple. Just enter from one end. I'm just going to start trimming. Because this is a closure wig. Sorry, this is a braid wig. So we don't do bleaching or any stuff like that because we know that it has weight on top of the lace already. So bleaching it makes it kind of really soft. So I don't bleach. I'm just saying for myself. So I don't bleach the lace. So what I do is I just trim it out. I'm just going to trim it round. So now that is out of the way, I have trimmed the extra lace. So what I'm going to do is, you can see I have my brush and I have my powder. Okay, so I'm going to take a really dark shade because I'm dark skinned. I think this shade is okay. This shade should be okay. And I'm just going to apply that. You want to undo this hair with a lot of care because the braids are so big. Just at the front. Okay, this is the front of the hair, just at the front and nowhere else. But you can go everywhere, but I just want to put this at the front because I don't know how dark she would want it, so I just want it at the front. So remember, the powder you're using should be the same shade as your client's shade or as your shade if you are the one wearing the wig. So you could do it all over since it's like a full lace braid wig. But I'll just do for the front to show you guys what I'm talking about. Now, let's wear this. Okay, let's wear this. Really gently, like I said. Going to move it to the front. My hair is not in a braid. Like, you're supposed to have it in a braid before you wear this. Good. This is so good. And I'll get it just a bit higher so you guys can really see a lot of the glory. So this is higher. Okay, alright. Can you guys see? Oh my god, I feel so hot already. Okay, so I'm just gonna lose this one. Okay, this one, we're gonna lose this out and then style the baby hair. So you want to like make sure you move the hair little by little to the front, and trust me, it's in place. You have another band at the back of the wig. Okay, so you can use that if you want to make it really tight. I don't really like advise that because I don't like my hair too tight, but I think this is okay. So now I want to loosen out. See how to bring this forward a bit. So now I'm going to take my got to be glue, okay, and I'll just like apply that just on the tip there. Okay. If you normally, I wouldn't advise you to go to bed with this hair, like have it glued down for days, because it's a braid and you don't want to like sleep with it and have it all rough and all that. So you don't need the extra glue to leave it on for days. All you need is just something that you can use for the day, go out to a party or go to work and then come back, take it off, okay? Because if you wear it for too long, I feel like it's going to get roughing up because it's synthetic hair and it's braid. So I'm going to let this like get sticky for a few minutes, really few minutes. I'll be back. I'm back and I just left this for like 3 minutes and I think it's a bit dried. So now we're going to start pulling to the front gently. Stick it to the glue gently. Ooh, I like it. Gently. You don't want to rip your lace. Gently. Yes, I'm going to begin to take out this hair. We're going to start trimming. I'm using the toothbrush that I always use for this. So basically, I'm just using the toothbrush and the got to be glue to gently lay down the baby hairs, just pulling it to a particular direction I want it to go. And our advice that you don't like take too much got to be glue because you don't want it to have that leftover white residue like I did when I was done. So you don't need that much like what I'm using right now. Also, this hair is available for order. You guys can go on our page on Instagram at Miss Kess Wig and place your order. So I just use my scarf to hold this down for about 3 minutes while I just retouched my makeup. As you can see, this is how it looks like, and I try to use the face wipe to just dust out the extra white residue right there, because I felt like they had some white residues that was left, so I used that to clean it up. And then I used my brown powder, face powder, to just touch out the lace at the front. You can take your time and do that before you wear the wig. Okay, so guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys like this wig, and I hope if you want to pre-order, you can always go on our page and place your order. I'll see you guys in our next video. Bye, see you.